Welcome to Zagreb, which is famous for its amazing Christmas market, the incredible diversity of its museums and culture, the relaxed lifestyle, and also these days, the food. Behind me we have Dolat's Market, which has been the heartbeat of gastronomy in the city for hundreds and hundreds of years, where nothing has changed and everything has changed. Here we have the same style of selling fruit produce that we had years ago, but today we have Michelin star chefs and we have street food vendors coming here to buy because the gastronomic scene in Zagreb has exploded. Join me on a journey. As you can see, I'm very well versed in the restaurants of Zagreb as we go to a range of different restaurants, from the street food sellers, the incredible street festivals we have, up into the mountains for the hearty food, even to a restaurant where they make the recipes dating back to the 17th century, and also into the international scene, which has really exploded in the last few years with some of the best Asian food I've had anywhere in the world. Come to Zagreb for a week, enjoy the food, stay for 5 years like I have, and have an Instagrammable body like mine. Whatever you do, when you come, you will not be hungry. Double tech.